One of the best parts about working on a team is that sometimes we get to work together.
Hi, I'm Carmina with the O'Dowd Group, and this is April.
And this is 2231 Racquet Hill. It's our latest listing.
This was an original single-level John Little home. A previous owner added a second level, adding a master, an ensuite, and office space. It's perfect for multi-generational living, or if you just need the extra space.
This is the kind of home that just flows really well. The kitchen opens to the great room, which overlooks the pool, so it's perfect for entertaining or just everyday living.
To top it off, this property is located at the end of a cul-de-sac in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in North Tustin.
It's also walking distance to the Racquet Club. It's a good one, and you're gonna wanna see it.
Reach out, we'd love to show it to you.